Like Cisco Packet Tracer is one of the simulator which we can use to have a good hands-on to know in depth of this routing protocols, VLANs, STP, etc. So let's see how to install it. It's free to download. Let me walk you through the steps of how to get it downloaded and installed in your laptop and how you log into it each time. I've done a couple of times, but it's not a recent time. It's a very long time back. So I may also have some struggle in getting that downloaded. Let me show you. I have already downloaded here. It's here for me, you know, but I'm just going to show you how to get it downloaded fresh. So just type Cisco Packet Tracer and click on the first one. Or better, click on this one, netacademy.com. That's better. Okay. And now you see Cisco Packet Tracer, it shows the heading. Now you need to go and enroll, then only it will allow you to download. You see, getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. Click on this. And now English is what the language we are going to follow. If you have some other language preference like French, you may click this drop down and pick one. And let me go with English. And now you see here it shows how to download and use Packet Tracer. Click on this and then it will take you to another page. I think. Yeah. Right. And download Cisco Packet Tracer. This is what we need actually. Where is it? Download and use Packet Tracer. Install. Maybe I need to log in to get that. So let me go here and click on login. You see, you can use your Google account to log in. I have already used that Google account, so I'm just clicking login and my password, I'm in. Okay, you use the Google account, your Gmail account. All right, now let me go down here and click on no. So it should be under the resource. Let's click. Oh yeah, Packet Tracer. Create now. Definitely this is not the one. I'm not able to. You see, I need some time, but please be patient. If you're watching this on video, you may forward this, please. Once in a while I come here, so I don't remember, but I'm sure it is somewhere here. Enroll to download Cisco Packet Tracer. Of course, I have enrolled. Here. All right, so we are here. When we go down, we don't see an option to download. But what I did is I click on this legacy NetAcad, and then I clicked on this one, how to maintain Cisco packet tracer access during. I'm sorry, no, not that one. Okay, so I tried to go back. That's all. Network Academy. I went back again to NetAcad, and then when I click on this one, you see, you will get this one when you go back. When you go back, you will get this one. Then I clicked this one and clicked in resume. And there I see the download Cisco packet tracer appearing for me. Maybe to help you, I will put this link below the video. You can also click this and come directly to the download page. So let me put this here in the notepad. I'll give you under the description. All right, just click this one to download the latest one. You see, for Windows, for Mac, for Ubuntu, you have different link to click. If you're trying along with me, pause the video and do it. So click on this Windows. If you are using Windows, see you got this download and you need to install it. That's it. Install it. And once you install, you will get an icon like this on your desktop. All that you need to do is double click. After you install, double click. It'll ask you to log in every time. You see, it'll open like this and it'll take you to the, you see, it will take you directly. Wait, it won't allow you to go. Okay, it allows me to go like this because I have already logged in. You remember I logged in using my Gmail account. Usually, it won't allow you to go like this to this work area. It'll ask you to log in again. It will give you a Explorer or a Google Chrome page to log in. Once you log in, you will be able to access the routers and switches. Check whether it is working for it. So hope you are able to log into your packet tracer. Thank you so much for watching this. Take care. Bye.